What's up, YouTube? Got this Stihl MS290 Farm Boss. This thing's been sitting in my garage for about 4 years. We're gonna see if we can get it running. Already got these loose. This thing's filthy dirty. Unfortunately, it got rode hard and put away wet. We're gonna take its spark plug out. We're gonna clean it here. This thing's filthy. Good night. Well, if I can move this rubber boot out the way. Trying to hold this and get this spark plug out here. Good night. Look at that spark plug. Alright, YouTube. Then we'll get some cleaner here. We'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, we're back here. Take this spark plug. As y'all can see, it's filthy dirty. We're going to put it in the spark plug cleaner here. Got this little spark plug cleaner here from Harbor Freight many years ago here. Good night. I'm gonna set y'all down real quick while I clean this. Come on. Oh yeah. Whole lot better. There you go, YouTube. Yeah, I got some truck parts here we're painting. I'm gonna grab a wire brush and some cleaner, brake cleaner, and we'll clean this off real quick. Alright, there she goes. Y'all can see there. All clean. Big ass toolbox.
9 until 11 p.m. So if you're going out there, make sure you stop by and.
Get it in there. Good night. Drain that old gas out. Already done that. Put some fresh gas and old 2-cycle in there. And then clean these filters and spray this carburetor off. God, that thing's filthy. Take us in the garage, we'll spray it off. Alright, let's put this cover back on. Got it all cleaned. Got it all tightened back down. Let's put this cover on. Let's see what it'll do here. Set y'all down here. Maybe y'all can see there. There you go, YouTube. It's running. Stihl Farm Boss. That's why you buy a Stihl chainsaw. Best chainsaw ever made is a Stihl. Alright. You all like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a great day.